Now available from Jarraff Industries, the Jarraff Safety Operation and Maintenance Program. Jarraff Industries continues its commitment to safety and service with the release of a comprehensive program that includes an operation and service manual, a parts manual, and a safety, operation, and maintenance DVD for the Jarraff All-Terrain Tree Trimmer. The operation and service manual includes full-color photographs, diagrams, exploded images, and specification charts. This easy-to-follow manual includes everything from safe usage guidelines to maintenance and operational procedures. Also included is a complete service schedule and troubleshooting guide. The Jarraff Parts Manual is an extremely valuable service tool. This manual is also full color and easy to use. The Jarraff Parts Manual includes detailed information regarding part location and identification. The DVD parallels the operation and service manual, providing a visual learning tool that takes users through all aspects of the Jarraff unit, from a basic introduction to the machine itself, to safety considerations, service steps, and operational instructions. The DVD's menu system allows operators to easily choose and view specific sections or view the DVD in its entirety. Basic operations, maintenance, and field applications are clearly demonstrated with video clips and animations. Included with the DVD is a convenient viewing log that lets supervisors and managers track which operators have viewed the DVD and when. Together, these tools provide operators with the information necessary to safely operate and maintain both wheeled and track model Jarraff All-Terrain Tree Trimmers. Improve job site safety and operator proficiency. Contact Jarraff today for more information about the Jarraff Safety, Operation, and Maintenance Program.